To transfer crypto from Crypto.com to an Onchain wallet, you need to have a basic understanding of cryptocurrency transactions and wallet management. Start by logging into your Crypto.com account and navigating to the Accounts section. Here you will see a list of all your crypto assets and their respective balances. First, select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and click on the Withdraw button next to it. You will be prompted to enter the withdrawal address, which is the public address of your Onchain wallet where you want to receive the funds. Make sure to double-check the address to avoid any errors, as cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. Next, you need to enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. You can choose to transfer the entire balance or a specific amount. Be aware of the minimum withdrawal limits and any applicable fees. Before confirming the transaction, review the details carefully, including the recipient address, amount, and fees. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction and wait for the confirmation from Crypto.com. This may take a few minutes, depending on the network traffic and the speed of the Crypto.com system. Once the transaction is confirmed, you can track the status of the transfer on the blockchain by using a block explorer. This will give you an idea of when the funds will be available in your Onchain wallet. It is essential to note that Onchain transactions are recorded on a public ledger. And once the transaction is confirmed, it cannot be reversed. When the transfer is complete, you can verify the balance in your Onchain wallet to ensure the funds have been received. It is crucial to keep your Onchain wallet secure by using a strong password, enabling two-factor authentication, and keeping your private keys safe. In conclusion, transferring crypto from Crypto.com to an Onchain wallet is a straightforward process that requires attention to detail and a basic understanding of cryptocurrency transactions. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can securely and efficiently transfer your cryptocurrency assets to your Onchain wallet.